Welcome, and thank you for your time today. At ZINFI, managing a high-performing partner ecosystem in the age of AI should provide visibility, control, agility, scalability, and a lower cost of ownership. It shouldn't introduce complexity, fragmentation, or runaway expenses. That's why we created our Unified Partner Management Platform. It's a system that automates the entire partner journey, including onboarding, enablement, marketing, selling, incentivizing, and accelerating growth, all from a single location. Unlike other tools, ZINFI was built organically on Microsoft Azure and Azure AI, with automation and configurability embedded from the ground up. This approach results in a faster time to value, reduced risk, and measurable ROI. It's also why analysts and customers consistently recognize ZINFI as a leading B2B SaaS PRM platform. Today, I'll share our journey and platform and how we help companies build smarter, more profitable ecosystems in the age of AI. Who we are. ZINFI didn't start as a software company. We began as a partner management agency, collaborating with some of the world's largest brands. This gave us first-hand insight into companies' challenges when scaling and controlling complex partner ecosystems. In 2019, we pivoted from services to software. From the beginning, we were bootstrapped and product-first, with every feature designed to be agile and solve real customer problems. Since then, analysts and customers have recognized us as a category leader on platforms like G2, Capterra, Forrester, and AppExchange. Our platform now scales from small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs, to global enterprises, lowering the total cost of ownership (TCO), while offering the flexibility to handle any level of complexity. Our vision is simple: to be the best PRM for enterprise ecosystem management, the unified platform organizations trust to grow profitably in the age of AI. Market recognition. ZINFI's leadership isn't just something we claim. Analysts and users consistently validate it. Forrester named ZINFI a leader in partner marketing automation, recognizing our vision, execution, and ability to scale enterprise ecosystems. G2 has also placed us in the top right of their PRM grid, highlighting our customer satisfaction, usability, and real-world impact. This combination is rare. Analysts acknowledge our innovation and control at scale, while customers value the visibility, agility, and lower TCO our platform provides. Why customers choose ZINFI? Our platform provides measurable value across 5 key drivers. Visibility. Unified workflows, connectors, and reports give real-time insights into partner performance across different programs and regions. Control. Role-based access and governance ensure security, compliance, and precise alignment of partner workflows. Agility. No-code automation allows for quick adaptation to partner needs and changing market conditions. Scalability. Our modular architecture easily supports growth from hundreds to tens of thousands of partners. TCO. Our partner band pricing and unlimited users reduce cost and complexity compared to fragmented systems. This foundation streamlines partner operations and leads to faster, more profitable growth. User experience and satisfaction. Technology only creates value if people use it. That's why ZINFI prioritizes usability, speed, and adoption alongside performance. On G2, ZINFI ranks #1 in overall satisfaction and ease of use for PRM platforms, outperforming legacy providers like Salesforce and PartnerStack. Customers consistently highlight how intuitive the platform is, how quickly it deploys, and how it delivers measurable results. ROI is dependent on adoption. With ZINFI, partners and administrators get a platform that feels natural, effective, and impactful from day one. The problem we solve. Many companies face broken revenue operations when they work with partners. Today's ecosystems involve distributors, resellers, affiliates, influencers, MSPs, and consultants, yet existing systems are not built for this level of complexity. The result is generic and disconnected partner experiences, changes that take weeks to implement, painful CRM and tool integrations, incomplete or slow reporting, escalating costs year after year. CRM platforms can't manage large ecosystems, and Gen AI alone is too immature. ZINFI is purpose-built for end-to-end partner automation, which removes bottlenecks, accelerates time to value, and lowers total ownership costs. Complete partner journey automation. ZINFI is the only platform built organically on Microsoft Azure and Azure AI, not stitched together from third-party tools. This foundation allows us to unify workflows, automation, integrations, and intelligence into one seamless experience. We automate the partner journey from end to end. Onboard, manage contracts, enrollment, and planning. Enable, provide personalized training and content. Market, run AI-driven campaigns and syndication. Sell, use deal tracking, quoting, and smart scoring. Incentivize, manage MDF, rebates, and commissions. Accelerate, create mobile-first communities and marketplaces. Since integration is essential, ZINFI provides built-in connectors and in-house integration services, ensuring that CRM, ERP, and marketing systems connect quickly and securely without costly third parties. It's one platform, one experience, fully automated, driving partner visibility, control, agility, scalability, and lower TCO. Leading the revolution. ZINFI's journey mirrors the evolution of partner management and shows how we are reshaping its future. 2010, programs relied on spreadsheets and emails with no visibility, control, or scale. 2015, configurable workflows emerged, but code-heavy tools limited agility and adoption. 2020, ZINFI introduced low-code automation, which improved scalability and lowered the cost of ownership. 2024, AI bots began automating onboarding and support, driving agility and better partner experiences. 2025, AI co-pilots now guide decisions with predictive insights, delivering visibility and control at scale. Future, we're moving toward agentic PRM, autonomous, self-optimizing systems that continually adapt to maximize ROI and reduce TCO. This isn't just technology, it's a revolution in how ecosystems grow. Smarter, faster, more scalable, and more profitable. Enterprise-grade AI architecture. ZINFI's architecture is designed for the future of partner management. Data layer. Robust databases and integrations unify partner information, ensuring accuracy and complete visibility. Business layer. The proprietary Sentry engine powers automation, governance, and rules for precise control at scale. API plus AI layer. Real-time decision-making, adaptive recommendations, and intelligent workflows enable agility and more thoughtful engagement. Service layer. Secure, standards-based interoperability ensures global scalability and resilience across enterprise systems. Presentation layer. A customizable, mobile-ready interface accelerates adoption while lowering costs through usability and efficiency. This AI-powered, enterprise-proven foundation allows organizations to confidently manage complex ecosystems, scaling globally while optimizing performance, security, and cost. Transparent pricing. Another reason enterprises choose ZINFI is our pricing model. Modular architecture. You pay only for the modules you need with no forced bundles, giving you more control and agility. Partner band pricing. You have unlimited users and are priced by partner volume, allowing for predictable growth and a lower TCO. Flexible growth. You can seamlessly add modules or expand partner bands as your ecosystems evolve, giving you agility and scalability. Predictable services. Our services are pre-scoped with no hidden costs or runaway license fees, providing visibility and a lower TCO. The result is no surprises or overspending, just a pricing model that grows profitably with your partner ecosystem. Thank you for your time. We look forward to partnering with you to build the next generation of high-performing ecosystems.